2005 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It's got the stock converter, or actually aftermarket converters, right there and right there. And then what we did is true duals, 2 1/4 all the way back into his customer provided FLOWMONSTERs. Part number 2510FM. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there, 2 FLOWMONSTERs. And then he also provided his own black tips, square. We'll have a link in the description for those as well. There's everything we cut off. Right there, there's the white pipe that originally starts with it. There's the stock muffler and stock tailpipe. Cut all of it off and replace it with true duals. As always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh!